Hi, this video is about these walkabout mask, general purpose disposable masks that we have. And what you want to look for in a mask is a couple of things. One, it has a metal nose guard. So when you're putting a mask on, you can have it conform to your nose. Two, you want to make sure that your mask can't be, let the gases escape. And most of the masks out there that aren't of this type, 3-ply, are going to allow you to escape, but they aren't going to be very good because you're going to breathe anything out there through them back in. So we put our mask on. Push in the nose guard to close in this gap. You will notice right away with that in there that it's harder to breathe. And then we're going to use a candle test to try to blow those candles out. A lot of your regular masks would be something similar to a microfiber, pretty thick. Blows the candle right out. So get a good quality mask to protect yourself.